Hello dear children. Today we learn about between number. First of all, we will know what are the between numbers. The number or digit between two numbers is called between number. In other way, the number that comes in the middle of two digits is called between number. Let's see what will come between 5 and 7. 5 and 7. It's come 6 because after 5 comes 6 and before 7 comes 6. So 6 will come between 5 and 7. It is 6. Next is what comes between 8 and 10? It is 9. 8, 9, 10. Because after 8 comes 9 and before 10 comes also 9. So 9 is comes between 8 and 10. Next is what comes between 12 and 14? It is 13. 12, 13 and 14. Next is what comes between 16 and 18? After 16 will comes 17 and before 18 will come also 17. So 17 is comes between 16 and 18. What comes between 19 and 21? It is 20. What comes between 22 and 24? 22, 23. Because after 22 comes 23 and before 24 comes also 23. So 23 will come between 22 and 24. Next is what comes between 24 and 26? It is 25. 24, 25 and 26. Next 27. 27. What comes between 27 and 29? It is 28. After 27 will come 28 and before 29 will come 28. So 28 will come between 27 and 29. Next is 30. What will come 30 and 32? It is 31. After 30 comes 31 and before 32 comes 31. So 31 will come between 30 and 32. Next is 33. We count 33, 34 and comes 35. 33 and 35. What comes between 33 and 35? It is 34. What comes between 35 and 37? It is 36. 35, 36 and 37. Next is 38. What comes between 38 and 40? After 38 will come 39. Or before 40 also will come 39. So 39 will comes between 38 and 40.